Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. And what I'd like to do today is to introduce y'all to my office space / co-work business plan template. Specifically, the way the video is going to play out is first and foremost going to go ahead and give you all a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. From that point in time, we're then going to walk through my office space / co-work business plan template. I'll show you all the information that's included, the writing style, the components, all that good stuff to make an informed decision as to whether my office space / co-work business plan template is best for your individual and business needs. All right, so as promised, a little bit about me, and then we're going to talk about your office space / co-work business plan template. So again, Paul Borosky, MBA, owner of Quality Business Plan, and I am a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer. So if y'all do need some assistance in writing your office space or co-work business plan, please pick up the phone, give me calls, me text, and me email. Be absolutely delighted to write that business plan for you. I am also a published author on Amazon.com. Check me out there. I've got several books published in regards to business plan writing. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor and subject matter expert in both business and finance. So if y'all are already done with your business plan, or it's definitely something you can take care of, but those pesky financial projections are just giving you all kinds of nightmares and problems, not a problem. Pick up the phone, call me. Love to go ahead and do that segment for you as well. All right, enough of the infomercial for the enough of that. Let's go ahead and talk about this office space / co-work rental business plan template. So if you do decide to buy the template, and I will give you the link at the end of the video, but if you do want to buy it, it does come with this Word document that I'm going to go through, and also in a separate tutorial, it does come with a basic financial model. And I go over this financial model in a separate tutorial. All right, so in the Word document, when you open it up, you are greeted with this pretty little white space. Usually my clients, what they're going to do for this front page is they're going to simply put their logo or their company name and just make sure this says business plan somewhere on the cover. The next section is going to be the table of contents. In the table of contents, all you got to do is once you add a little bit more meat to the bone, you add some information into this customizable Word document. Once you're done, come back to the table of contents, click on it, click on Update the Table, click on Update Entire Table, click OK, and then all your menus and all of your page numbers will update automatically. Next section is going to be the executive summary section. Executive summary just pretty much summarizes your business plan in its entirety. In this section, I do give you a head start with the office space rental summary, your target market, give you some information about the financial highlights, and then the funding request. How much money do you need to get the party started? I do give you a starting point, and again, you can change all the any information in here you can change, but the highlighted areas is what I do recommend you change. Now, when you get to the point of financial highlights, there are 3 numbers here that do need to be changed, and your financial model does need to be updated. So once you go through and you make all the changes that need to be updated in the financial model, and again, tutorial is separate. Once you're done with that, you're going to go to the projections tab, and then these 3 numbers right here under year 1, those are the numbers you're going to want to use to update your business plan template. And specifically, first year projections, $276,000 is going to align with the first number. The second number, costs, $182,000, is going to align with this number here. And then finally, the estimated net profits, $69,000, that's going to align with the $69,000 in the financial model. All right, the next section is going to be the company description. Again, to give you a nice little head start with this information right here. Services that you're going to be provided. Usually it's going to be office units, and they're either going to be furnished or unfurnished. And again, give you a nice little head start. Also included in this section is going to be a competitive advantage section, your primary target market, your pricing strategy, hours of operation, your location with some starting point descriptions, and then a snippet of your strategic plan. Your business plan is pretty much describes your business, what you're going to do, how you're going to do it, where you're going to do it, and why you're going to do it. Whereas your strategic plan is going to tell the reader or tell the interested party where you're going and what objectives you're going to accomplish in order to get there. So I do put a little bit of a snippet of the strategic plan just to let the reader know, hey, you've got some plans for the future, kind of a deal. Industry research, it's a little bit of it's done. I summarized it from IBIS World, and also from other outside research. So this information is already up to date for you. The next section is going to be SWOT analysis, your strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. In order to update this information, you're going to click on the Smart Art, and there's that little tiny arrow right here that you're going to click on. Once you click on that, then you can go ahead and make the updates accordingly. Next section is going to be organizational structure. This is your ownership information, who's the owners and where is the company located. The next section is going to be organizational chart. Who are your employees and who do they report to? And again, we've got a Smart Art going on here. You do need a Word document or you do need Word in order to make the appropriate changes. Next section is going to be your marketing, your office space, traditionally your office space and co-work business plans that they typically are going to advertise in. They're typically going to have traditional advertising, internet advertising, and then social media advertising. So I do give you a starting point for each one of those. Next section is going to be the funding request. How much money do you need to get this party started? Right here is the dollar amount needed, and these are the terms that you will hopefully negotiate, but it does give you a structure to put that information in. Next is going to be financial projections. So once you do update your financial model, your profit and loss for year one, which is broken into into monthly, is broken up monthly, month 1 through 3, quarter 1. Month 4 through 6, quarter 2, 7 through 9, quarter 3, 10 through 12, quarter 4, and then year 1 through 5. And so once you update your financial model, what you're going to do is you're going to go to the financial model, and after all the changes are made, you're going to copy your new financial projections, and you're going to do that chart by chart, and you're going to go to your old financial projections, you're going to delete them, and then you're going to insert or Control V your new financial projections. So once you do that, your new financial projections will now be in your business plan. All right, so hopefully this information was helpful to help you all make an informed decision as to whether this business plan template is going to be best for your company needs. So let's go ahead and summarize it and wrap it up and call it a day. So in summary, if you are interested in the office space / co-work business plan template, it does come with a customizable Word document that I just showed y'all, plus this handy dandy little tutorial in order to work with it. Also comes with the financial model that I showed y'all a few times. And then there are some limitations for this financial model. First and foremost, it is not compatible with Apple products or Google Doc. So you do need Microsoft Office in order to make the changes appropriately. There is no free phone support. If you do have questions before you buy, so if you have some questions about the office space / co-work business plan template and you want to have a conversation with me before you buy it, my contact information is right here. Absolutely love to have a conversation. However, after you purchase the template, I would refer you to my tutorials on how to customize it and make it yours. All right, so if you are interested in Office Space Co-work Business Plan Template, the link is right here to purchase it. If you would like to take a look at my tutorials before you buy, they are free to view, and the tutorials are right here. And then finally, if you don't want to mess around with tutorials and you don't want to mess around with a template, you just want the darn business plan written for you, I would be delighted to do that as well. And right here is my custom business plan prices. All right, hopefully this information was helpful. As always, give me a thumbs up on YouTube, subscribe, and have a great day. Thank you.